If you fell into a black hole, you would be stretched into a thin strand of atoms. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. The gravity at your feet would be far stronger than at your head, so your body would pull apart like soft dough. It sounds like fiction, but the physics is real. And it gets stranger from here. Time itself slows down near a black hole. If you watch a friend fall in, you would see them freeze. They would appear to hang at the edge forever. Meanwhile, for them, time would feel completely normal. This is not a trick. It is how gravity bends time. The same effect happens on Earth, just tiny. Your head ages slightly faster than your feet. That is because your feet sit closer to Earth's gravity. Over a lifetime, the difference is a few billionths of a second. But near a black hole, that gap becomes enormous. Now, picture the edge of a black hole. We call it the event horizon. Cross it, and nothing can ever return. Not light, not sound, not even information. It is the ultimate point of no return, and you would not even feel the moment you crossed. There is no wall, no warning sign, just a quiet boundary you can never escape. Here is something that feels impossible. Black holes are not empty space at all. They're the densest objects in the universe. Imagine squeezing the entire Earth into a marble. That is roughly the density we are talking about. Some black holes pack millions of suns into a tiny space. The mass is real, just crushed beyond imagination. At the very center sits something called a singularity. This is a point where our physics breaks down. Density becomes infinite, and equations stop making sense. We genuinely do not know what happens there. It might be the biggest mystery in all of science. Even Einstein's theories cannot fully explain it. Now look up at the night sky tonight. There is a giant black hole at the center of our galaxy. It is called Sagittarius A star. It holds the mass of 4 million suns, and you are quietly orbiting around it right now. Our whole solar system circles this cosmic giant. One full lap takes about 230 million years. The last time we were here, dinosaurs roamed the planet. Black holes also make sound in a way. One of them hums a single deep note. It is a B-flat, about 57 octaves below middle C. That is far too low for any human ear. But the pressure waves are real and constant. The universe has been playing this note for billions of years. Here is a fact that touches your daily life. The gold in your jewelry came from violent space events. When black holes and neutron stars collide, they forge heavy metals. That ring on your finger has cosmic origins. You are wearing the remains of ancient stellar crashes. Black holes do not just destroy, they help create. Surprisingly, black holes can actually evaporate. Stephen Hawking discovered they slowly leak energy. We call this Hawking radiation. Over unimaginable spans of time, they shrink away. A small black hole could vanish entirely. But the largest ones will outlive almost everything else. They may be the final objects in the universe. Let me show you how fast they spin. Some black holes rotate at nearly the speed of light. They drag space and time around with them. Picture stirring honey and watching it swirl. The fabric of reality twists in the same way. Anything nearby gets pulled into that cosmic spin. The first ever photo of a black hole came in 2019. It took a telescope the size of our entire planet. Scientists linked observatories across the globe to make it. The image showed a glowing ring around pure darkness. That darkness was the shadow of the event horizon. You were looking at something light could never escape. And consider this about size and scale. The largest known black holes are called ultramassive. One of them is 66 billion times the mass of our sun. If it sat where the sun is, it would swallow our whole solar system. Yet from far away, it looks like a tiny dot. The universe hides enormous things in plain sight. Finally, black holes may connect to the birth of galaxies. Almost every large galaxy has one at its heart. They seem to grow alongside the stars around them. Some scientists think galaxies and black holes shape each other. Without them, the night sky might look completely different. So the same force that destroys may also build worlds. Every star you see is part of this grand dance, and you're sitting right in the middle of it. If these cosmic wonders made you look up in awe, subscribe to BetterNight and keep exploring the universe with us.